guess
It's like come down.
it can go on this side.
Why do you still have this up?
It's in the middle. It's technically,
Do you have it?
look, technically,
What is
look,
this?
it's technically on your side.
Pretty sure this is no. You like the taco? You wanna go in it? You wanna go for a drive? You wanna go get some ice cream? Yeah? We're gonna go have a girls' night. Aren't we, Val? Yeah, we are.
Okay.
Bye.
Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? Abby and I are here in the garage this evening in the back of the Tacoma bed, and we just unboxed some pretty sweet lighting upgrades for the Tacoma that we're going to be doing in our upcoming videos. We wanted to do a very quick unboxing just to see what's in the box of these. Both parts are from Foglights here in Canada. They are the Diode Dynamics SS3 Stage Series pods, as well as the SL1 LED lights for the headlight low beams. Okay, which one should we open first?
Let's do this one.
These are the Diode Dynamics SL1 headlight bulbs. They're actually 5700K color temperature. So if I show you guys what the headlights look like now, these are like maybe 4K, maybe even lower, maybe 4K. They're super yellow. Those will be a really nice upgrade in the projector here. Next is the Diode Dynamics SS3 Stage Series LED pods. These actually are with the fog light bracket specific to the Tacoma, so they're gonna mount right in the fog light spot. Also plug and play. Although the front of the box shows the white LED pod there, these are actually the yellow ones. They are the sport version, and these are the SAE fog, so they're super widespread beam pattern. I'm gonna show you guys the install soon on the Tacoma, and we're gonna actually take up the drone to show the output distance and pattern on the Tacoma out driving in some of the dark back roads. The entire housing feels like it's made of a really solid metal. Everything's waterproof, of course, and what's really cool is there's these small screws around the outside here. The front lens can actually be taken off and interchanged with different lenses. So like I said, this is the SAE fog lens, so it's gonna be a super wide beam pattern. But you can also get a flood lens and a spot lens, and you can also change it to white color. So the fog light here at the front, again, super yellow color. It's like 4000K color temperature. Just a plain old halogen bulb, just like the headlight. Interestingly enough, the DRL light there on the side is a white LED. I wish it came from the factory with all LEDs, but after we're done with these upgrades, it's gonna look super awesome. So this guy's gonna install basically right in there. Alright, so pretty excited to install these in the Tacoma. It's gonna look really awesome. The first mods that we get to do pretty much. Gonna do them together. You're gonna help me out, do the install. It's gonna be fun. I've got a few other cool things as well, like blacked out badges, the front grille lights, that kind of stuff. So it's pretty sweet. We've had the truck for a couple weeks now only, and we're already getting some fun parts to install.